everybody, good morning. I'm in the gym by myself. Today is Saturday and I just wanted to come in here and do like a little cardio workout this morning just to kind of get my body moving and started. So I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I'm whispering because I'm by myself, which doesn't make any sense. Anyway, sorry I missed yesterday, so today will be 11 and 12. Alright, you guys, I am back home. I'm getting ready to make, I'm not necessarily skipping breakfast, but I'm just not eating breakfast. I'm just going right in with today's meal, which is something that I made yesterday. I don't know why I didn't bring it over here. Y'all already know I made salmon bites yesterday. So we're gonna have some salmon bites with some white rice and broccoli. I'm probably gonna have a banana just because, yeah, if y'all don't know by now, obviously I'm obsessed with bananas. So yesterday I made shrimp and salmon bites together. Super, super yummy. I just put it in like this little container for my leftovers. Super simple meal. And they're a little spicy too. So you guys know I like spicy food. Then we got a little bit of broccoli and rice left over. I made quite a bit of rice yesterday. I really didn't even mean to. So I'm feeling good. I just made a reel. I'm gonna show y'all. So y'all know the sound, what you call an icon living.
What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it.
And that's gonna stay consistent for 5+ months, period. Oh my God, I'm recooking my whole entire dish. Oh, here go my trainer. What you think?
Hey, that's on top.
I ain't gonna put the last part in there with the booty. I was like, hold on, I might be doing too much. I'm about to post that joint there then. Shoot.
You look good. Hey, you look good though. Red talk, you look good.
Thank you. Thank you. I went and got my little cardio workout in today and but that's what I'm saying. I'll be changing. It be looking different every day. But see, I didn't eat light yesterday, but I just had some salmon and broccoli. So I ate kind of lean yesterday. So I guess like today I won't as like puffy, I guess. I don't know, but I'll be looking different. So I'm gonna just stick with that because that's get me right.
All right, love you, girl.
Love you too.
Hey, look at me. I'm proud of you, for real.
Thank you, man.
I really am.
I appreciate you.
You still over there eating that dirty chicken bite.
But listen, I got shrimp and salmon, no chicken.
Listen, no, but I really am proud of you, for real.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
We're going into the new year. Now it's time to go up even more level. Now it's time to build your strength up.
Yeah, it's time to go up.
But listen, I love you, girl. Have a good day, all right?
You too. I love you too. Y'all, not me sleeping over my alarm clock and now I'm rushing. Why y'all ain't wake me up? That's some trifling stuff. Like, I didn't woke up late and everything. Yo, oh my goodness. What? You can fly. What is up, you guys? It has been quite some time later. I am literally in the thick of doing laundry right now. I just figured this would be a good time to kind of pick up where we left off. Yeah, so I'm sorry I have missed 2 days of Vlogmas. I know you guys are amazing. I know you guys understand. So if I planned it a lot better, I would have already been like 5 videos ahead, but I definitely wasn't. I was more like 2 videos ahead. And then I had some other work to do, so I kind of leaned on that one video to go up, and then the next day was even busier, so I kind of leaned on that other video to go up, and the next thing you know, the next day had come and I hadn't vlogged either of those days, so I didn't have any footage or anything. I hadn't sat down and done a video of any kind yet. So this week is going to be a little busy, just because of course we're still in the thick of Vlogmas, and then 2, I have some other videos that you guys have been requesting and asking for, so I want to make sure I did that. But today is Sunday and I feel amazing. I was a little in a weird mood earlier, but I laid down and I had to talk myself out of it because I'm telling you, here's the thing. If you are laying down and you feel yourself getting in a mood, check your area, check your surroundings. So when I checked my surroundings, I noticed that my room was not clean and put together like it usually is. I had some clothes out from earlier when I was trying to figure out what I wanted to wear to church, and Avery had some stuff all over the floor. So I was just like, you know what, let's just get up and let's clean. So I have vacuumed already. I'm washing my sheets currently. I have cleaned my rug. I have put those clothes away. I am doing laundry, and I feel 1,000 times better. So sometimes if you are in a weird mood, check your surroundings, see if you need to do a little cleaning. Start there, do some cleaning, do some praying, and see how you feel after that. And more than likely you'll come back to yourself. So it worked for me. Try it and just see, right? Anyway, but today, like I said, today is Sunday, and church today was absolutely amazing. I got what I needed. Take a look. And yeah, so like I said, I got what I needed. It was amazing. And again, my house needed a little reset. My house is pretty much clean, so I didn't really need to clean like the kitchen or anything. Everything else is pretty clean. My house definitely needs a reset. So what I love to do with resetting is praying. I'm not saying anything went down for it to be, you know, out of whack or anything, but praying, cleaning, you know, putting things back to the way they were, rearranging some things maybe, you know, just give it a nice good reset, revamp to start your week. So that's where I'm at. I'm in the thick of that at the moment. So like I said, I'm doing some laundry because again, I have a lot of gym clothes. So because I work out every day, I accumulate a lot of gym clothes, and because I have a lot of stuff, I don't wash all the time. And I think I talked about this in a previous vlog where I have found that a week suit of mine is keeping up with my laundry. All right guys, let's go to my room and put these clothes up. All right, so we're in the room. I've organized my drawers to where like my obviously like all of my delegates like underwear and stuff, underwear and bras go together, but now since I've incorporated a lot of gym wear, I have to kind of sort it out a little differently now. Okay, I am done putting up all of my gym clothes and stuff. I think, do I want to make dinner tonight? I'm giving salmon bites. I'm gonna play out these salmon bites, but I don't care, they're so good. Giving salmon bites, it's giving some potato wedges. I mean, not potato wedges, it's giving some, I don't know, I kind of want to save the salmon for tomorrow, but I can always go get some more salmon. Oh, real quick, tell me if y'all have, so bread is not breading like it used to. Like, mind you, this bread literally is best if used by November the 30th. And I remember back in the day, honestly, not that long ago. Why am my battery blinking? But not that long ago, if it was maybe even 3 days past expiration, there would be like a little bit of mold. The bread that you buy now, not a piece of mold. Like, let me know down below if y'all have been noticing stuff ain't been the same. I don't know what they're doing to food out here, but it's giving. So yeah, I'm gonna charge my battery and I'll be back. I think I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm not really hungry, but I should eat something. I'll be back. everybody. Today is the morning that I needed the daggone, I needed to warm up my car before I got in because my windshield right now is like blocked. I mean, it's not blocked. I'm trying to figure out why it's just my car. I'm on the way to the gym. Y'all already know. Look at how this girl greets me. Well, hello, mama. Hello. Hi, sweetums. You do. What is up, you guys? I am back home, and you already know what time it is. I'm getting ready to make me a good old breakfast. Today, the gym killed me. I'm very tired. I am very tired today. So, I ran out of my daggone protein. Darn it. First, let me wash my hands. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so for breakfast, I am making it my regular. Oh, also, you guys, these tops, I bought some more tops from, it's this Paragon, from this brand. I posted about it on my story a couple weeks ago because they were having a Black Friday deal. And you guys actually purchased and used it, so I appreciate that. But these tops are amazing. Like, they're just like these little crop top numbers. Super cute. I wanted this blue one and I ordered, so when I placed the order, it processed it and took my money and everything. But then once these were like on their way in shipment, I got an email saying that the blue one, there was like a miscalculation. They didn't catch that it was out of stock by the time I bought it, that whole thing. So they had to refund me my money, which they refunded it, so it's all good, but I definitely wanted that blue one. But I got this color. I got a black one just from some PR that they sent me. I have a black one, and then I bought this color. This is like some type of like sagey green, some type of gray green. It's like a gray green. And then I have like a burgundy purple. And then I bought some leggings too, so. Thanksgiving, let's get some eggs in our system. We're gonna do some eggs today. Got my meal replacement stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do them scrambled. And then for my drink, I'm gonna just do a meal replacement for extra, whatever it's called. I am so obsessed. lunch and dinner. I already have my meal, preps in the refrigerator. You guys seen that. I'll be having white rice, shrimp, salmon, and broccoli.